Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Take Wisdom and welcome to this new tutorial video here. And in this video I'm gonna show you how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your Instagram application and now select the profile icon on the bottom right, and now select those straight three lines on top of your screen, and now select settings and privacy here, and now go to account center and scroll down a little bit, and here you can see personal details. Click that option and click this account ownership and control option and select deactivation or deletion. Click that option and select your account again, and now it already selected deactivate your account, and select continue here.